first we'll talk about the fitting of your crutches. So the way to do that is you stand nice and tall with shoulder width apart on your feet. The crutches go right under your arms, around your armpit. So there are two things to look at when you fit auxiliary crutches. First is the pad that goes right under your armpit, and then the handles that your hands are going to hold on to. So we'll first talk about the pad. So the pad has to be 3 fingers from your armpit, not shooting into the armpit, but 3 fingers down from the armpit. That way you prevent any kind of nerve injury on your arms. Now we'll talk about the handlebars and the hand fitting. So the handlebars and the hand fitting needs to be to where the bars come right at your wrist crease. So you stand nice and tall with the bars at your wrist crease and 3 fingers from your armpit on the armpit.